Hi everybody, I'm Melanie Hartman. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a unboxing of the new Boxy Luxe box from the March box. So then we're also going to be talking about some of the shipping issues that they had and just addressing that. So if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe and click the bell right down below so you can be notified of all my future uploads. So before we get into opening up the box, we are going to address the shipping problems. So this month they had a bunch of shipping problems. They addressed this on their Instagram live story. So Joe, the owner, addressed this. He did an Instagram live talking about it at the shipping warehouse and talked about that some of the products that were coming in had shipping issues going through customs. So that's why a lot of the boxes were late this month. And I also saw people on social media complaining that they weren't addressing this. But had you looked at their social media pages, you would have seen that they did a live on this and addressed it. There's also a bunch of weather during the month of March all over the US. So you kind of have to play that into consideration that there's things that they can't control all the time. And they addressed it. They even gave people charms for stuff. So I myself received 6,500 charms for receiving my box late. So today's the 26th and I just received it today. So yeah, usually I receive it within the 5 to 10 days because I pay on the 1st. So I do 3 months at a time. And yeah. And then another thing that I've been seeing on social media a lot is people complaining that their emails aren't getting answered. And a lot of what I see is people are like, oh, I've sent you like 5 emails and you haven't replied to my emails. So part of what this is it's a first in, first out email system. So the first emails that they get in are the first ones they're going to respond to. And the caveat with this is though, when you send another email, you get moved to the back of that line. So you need to stop sending many emails and let them reply to your first email before you send more emails, because they're not going to get it. It's just going to keep moving to the back of the line if you keep sending emails. So I've never had a problem receiving emails from them, replying back. They said my Pretty Vulgar last month, if you watched my video last month, was broken and my bronzer was broken, and they replied back saying that they would get, first reply was that they'd work on it, and then they said they were working with Pretty Vulgar to see if they could get more. The next message I got from them was that they were going to get me a new one, and then I got a message that it would be in my box. When I got my shipping information for this box, it showed that the Pretty Vulgar would be in there. So we'll see if it's actually in the box, but that's a big thing with their email system. So customer support also received a ton more emails this month because they had the shipping issues. So you do have to give them a little leeway and not get all up in arms that you, out of 1,000 people or so, probably more, are not getting an email back within 12 hours. It's not an immediate process when you're working with customer service and all that. So with all that addressed, we will now open up the Boxy Luxe box, and I'm really happy that I got the Boxy Luxe because it looked really cool this month. So let's open it up and see what's inside. I also know that they had issues because they were trying to implement the beauty quiz this month, getting people products based off their skin tones, what they like, colors they like. So we'll see if I got the correct Cover FX palette. I do know that if you didn't receive it and you emailed them, they were giving charms. I think it was like 4,500 charms or something like that. So it's more than what the Cover X palette is worth if you were just going to buy it. So within the box, so we have this, and honestly guys, they sent a personal note handwritten about what happened. I don't know if it's actually handwritten. I think he handwrote it and then he just scanned them, but about the replacement product for the Pretty Vulgar. So we'll see if it's in there. So this month's theme is La Vie en Rose, and we have all of the products listed that we'll get, so we will add those up and I'll give you a total at the end of the video. So the first product that we got was the replacement Pretty Vulgar. So last month I was a bronzer that got broken and they replaced it with a highlighter. I personally don't mind that. I love highlighters, and this is like so my shade of highlighter. You can see it's so pretty. It's like pinky gold reflect. See, that's so pretty, and I will definitely be wearing this a lot. Okay, so now for the actual products that came in the March Boxy Luxe is the bag. I think this is called Boxy Charm Train Case. It's really pretty. I love gold, rose gold. My wedding and engagement ring is rose gold, so I love rose gold. And this is $20, so that's a pretty good deal. $20. And it's pretty big. Hold a lot of stuff. This will be nice to travel with. And it has Boxy Charm on the inside. That's really cute. Okay, next product is Lily Lashes. This is in the style Gaia. I'm pretty sure everybody got the same exact style, and it's really pretty. It's nice fluttery mink lash. The lashes are really nice lashes. So these are $24.99. So we'll just say 25. So we are up to 55, 45, 45. Oh my lord. Okay, and then I got the Becca Ultimate Lipstick Love in Bare. Let's see what this color is. So this is $24. So me. Let's see. I love that color. Perfect for summer. It's like a pinky peachy apricot color. Okay. And the Iconic London Eyebrow Cushion. This one is $40. Oh, wow. $40. Oh. If I can get it out. Oh, thank you. Okay, so I got the shade medium. So hopefully this will work with my eyebrows. So it comes like this. It's got this little thing. Pulls up, so you have the lighter side and then the darker side. So use the darker side on your tail and the lighter side in to fluff up. I don't tend to wear a ton of eyebrow products, but I like eyebrow products like this because I can just feather it in, because I don't really use eyebrow pencils all that much. I don't need it. And then it comes with this handy dandy little tool that folds up like this. It's got a spoolie on one end and then angled brush on the other. And then it also has a little mirror on the inside. Okay. So next is the Wander Beauty Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask. So I know they custom did this with Boxy Charm, and it's supposed to be like a rose gold color. So that'll be nice to use. Okay, next is, and the Wander Beauty mask is $34. Okay, next is the Moda Beauty brushes. Let's see. So it says it's a powder and soft glow. So it's supposed to be for powder and then one for highlighters. So I can open a product. And this is a $29.99 value, so about $30. And I do love the rose gold handled brushes. So this is supposed to be like the highlighter brush. I probably would use this more to do my under eye powder, just because I like a tiny brush for that. And then this, that's supposed to be a powder brush, I would most likely use for bronzer, just because the shape of it, most of the brushes I have, I don't actually use them in the way that they're described. So next up, I got the NCLA cuticle oil. So this is nice. I don't tend to wear a lot. The other option for this was a nail polish. I don't tend to wear a lot of different nail polish. I go and get my nails done. I'm gonna wear nail polish, and I can only wear certain colors for my job. So that's nice. The cuticle oil will help. And that one is $18. And it's a Desi is the brand. I don't think that's correct, but alrighty. Next up is It Confidence and Cream. So this is $48. Holy cow, I think that's the most expensive product. Yes, so this one is the most expensive product. So we have It, the cream. We'll see. Smells like, it smells good. It's like a very citrusy smell. Ooh, and it's very smooth. I like it. So the moisturize, transforming moisturizing super cream. It says it's for all skin types. It has anti-aging, armor, rejuvenating, concentrating. We'll try this out and see how it goes. Okay, next step is the Cover FX palette. And I did not get the correct color. I got the medium deep one. So that's the one I got. So I will look on the Facebook pages and the Instagram pages and try to trade for the lighter one. So hopefully I can trade it. And then last but not least is the Morphe palette. Oh, the Cover FX palette was $45. And last but not least is Morphe palette. I got the 15B Day Slayer. Let's see what it looks like. See if it's colors I like. Yeah, I can do these colors. Not my favorite colors, but oranges and stuff. This reminds me of fall. So this is a very fall palette to me, and I work with it. All of the palettes seemed pretty cool, so they're not bad. So I will try to exchange my Cover FX palette with a lighter palette. Unfortunately, I didn't get the correct color. So I will also email them, and hopefully they will address that. So that's all of the products, and now we will add them all up and get a total. Okay, so all of the products in the March Boxy Luxe, the variation I got, added up to $300. So I took the ones that were $99 and just made them the whole number, and it added up to $300 exactly. So that's all for this video. Make sure you are subscribed, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.